What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a caulk nozzle. Now you guys, if you know, some of y'all might not need this, but a lot of people that do construction, they might not need it. They have their own little methods and stuff like that. But as far as you being a DIYer and stuff, and you want to keep stuff organized and it looks nice and neat, you may want to use this. Now, the old school, if you're in construction, if you have a caulk bottle or tube, you get a screw and then you put the screw in and then tighten up your screw, right? That's fine. That if you have a smaller hole, then you're good to go. All right, we cut that. You put it in your jar and push to where you can go. And that's it. That's how you can cap this off. So you have to make a cut. Can I bend it? Okay, so I could bend it. You take a piece off. All right, so even with this one, you're good. So you just put it in, push, and then that's it. It covers your caulking. Don't run into a situation where you don't even use anything, a nail or a nozzle, all right? Or else you will have to find a way to dig all this old caulking out to save your bottle right here. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Definitely, whenever you get packaging, make sure you look at the whole packaging. And that's it. And I had it for months and I was like, this is a good opportunity to review this. Anyways, you guys, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.